Okay, to make grass or something like this, I add a plane. Oh, I changed the color for the plane and I validate it. It's only the ground plane. And I go to the front view and I draw a tube curve, and I go to the not perspective view and I draw the grass part and I reduce the topology very low, only what is needed to create this. And you can use any object, not only tubes. Okay, I validate this one and I gave it a color. I'll make it a little bit darker. Paint. Okay. And I move origin, and in the front view I change the pivot to the center of the object, and now I got an insert point. I bring it to the side and shrink it down like this. I move it again to the origin. Why the pivot didn't jump? Okay, now the pivot is okay. I bring it again to the origin. Why? It's not really necessary. What's this? The anchor point is important to move the pivot to the bottom of this object. And now we can use the insert function. Symmetry is on. Clone is on. And we can use the symmetry for about 6, 7 or something. And we can bring the object here and validate this one. This is the base of the grass, I think. We can make it a little bit smaller again and so on and so on. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Symmetry is off. I bring it to the side and I use the insert tool again, switch symmetry off, and now you can place here a few of the grasses on the plane. And now you go to the scene menu and put them together in a simple merge, and use the insert tool is always is on. And now you can symmetry is off, and now you can place a sorry, that's something sometimes very you have to change the pivot again, bring it to the bottom of the object, and every time you leave the object the pivot has to be moved back, and then you can place validate this one, and I go simple merge, pivot, bring it in position. Okay, and now go to the insert tool again and turn the symmetry off, and sorry, and lock at the bottom. I have have the lock button, And now you can add multiple of this grass pots, and when you got this, select them, simple merge them, go to the front view, gizmo, pivot, bring it in position, and you can use the insert tool again. It's crazy when the symmetry is always jumping. You can use also the gizmo and use the clone function and bring it a little bit more in position, and validate it and clone it, clone it, clone it, clone it, clone it, and clone it, clone it. And you can always put them together. And the more objects you have, the grassier it is. It's not a amount of 188,000 polygons. It's okay. And you can also make adjustments. You can drag it and mesh it a little bit up to look like not so equal. And that's it. I hope you understand. Okay, ciao.